This sucks, and I freely admit I'm hopelessly addicted to Blizzard games most of the time, and they've been a huge part of my life for many, many years. And honestly, I'm having some trouble supporting a company that treats female employees so badly. At the same time, it's one I idolized as a fan for many, many years. And they've been part of my life ever since I busted open a copy of Warcraft ages and ages ago. And I even stayed up late watching StarCraft and hanging out on the Camelot Systems forums all through college, working on teaching how to do modding for their own games. And I even wrote a tutorial for Arsenal Zero back in the day, which was totally something I loved. And it was one of the things that got me into coding originally. And on top of that, I was obsessed with the Supreme Tide Eater, World of Warcraft, and also Hearthstone on top of that. And I've easily spent thousands upon thousands of hours on Blizzard games. And I'm still debating if I should drop the game I love and uninstall everything, or stick around and be a female voice, of which there are already far, far too few. And I have no idea which way I will go, but I'm backing off from Blizzard content from a few weeks. Just because right now it makes me physically ill to open the games a lot of the time, and I can't really stick around for a full stream. So that's not going to happen. So we need more women in tech. And for those of you who are other fans, if you want to support the awesome developers who walked out today, post on social media with the active Blizz walkout hashtag and use the blue heart emoji as well. Some great charities that you can support if you want to show solidarity with the devs. Go ahead and donate to Black Girls Who Code, Futures Without Violence, Girls Who Code, RAIN, Women in Animation, and Women in Games International, so that you can support women in the industry. Thanks for watching, and Blizzard, fix your stuff.